Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to fix apps from crashing on iOS 26 beta. So if you recently just installed iOS 26 beta and you notice that your apps are crashing, then let me show you how to fix this. The first and most simple way of fixing this is by going into your App Store. Next, tap on your profile photo, scroll down, and where it says upcoming automatic updates, go ahead and tap on update all. Make sure all of your apps have been updated to the recent version. Once updated, go ahead and try it out. And if it's still crashing, then I would suggest that you go ahead and restart your phone by holding the volume up and the power button here. Go ahead and restart it. Once restarted, try it again and see if your app is crashing on iOS 26 beta. If it's still crashing, then unfortunately you just need to wait for another update from Apple, where you can basically keep checking from general, software update, and here you can go ahead and keep checking for the next update, which is your second release, and this will basically fix the issue of your apps crashing. So there you go guys, that is how to fix apps from crashing on iOS 26.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.